Here's a clear, practical explanation of how NordVPN interacts with VoIP laws in the UAE, including what is allowed, what's restricted, and what the legal landscape looks like if you're using a VPN in the Emirates. 1. Is using a VPN legal in the UAE? VPN use is not banned per use. The UAE's Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority, TDRA, and federal laws don't outlaw VPN technology itself. You are allowed to use a VPN for legitimate purposes such as connecting securely to your work network, protecting privacy on public Wi-Fi, secure online banking and email access, encrypting traffic for general security. Important asterisk: what matters legally is how you use it. Using VPN to commit crimes or access prohibited services remains illegal. 2. VoIP laws in the UAE. Official position: VoIP services, voice over internet protocol like calling apps, are regulated in the UAE. Only government-approved VoIP services are permitted for use within the country. Examples of approved services include local telecom sanctioned platforms like Bodum and similar licensed apps offered by Etisalat and Du, often with a subscription. Popular global VoIP apps such as WhatsApp Call, Skype Calling, FaceTime, and others are officially blocked by the TDRA and UAE ISPs. So even if you have WhatsApp or Skype installed, the calls won't work on standard Emirates networks without special arrangements from telecom providers. 3. Using NordVPN to access VoIP legal vs illegal. Allowed uses: you can use NordVPN when you are accessing services that are not on the UAE prohibited list. You are using the VPN for secure privacy, corporate needs, or permitted traffic. Restricted/illegal uses: using NordVPN, or NVPN, to bypass official restrictions and access blocked VoIP calling services like WhatsApp, Skype, or FaceTime in the UAE technically violates local regulations. According to UAE cyber law and TDRA rules, using VPN to hide your IP to access content/services blocked by the UAE authorities, including blocked VoIP, can be considered illegal. Penalties for unauthorized use of communication services, including blocked VoIP apps, can be heavy, ranging from significant fines to imprisonment under UAE cybercrime laws. So while you might be able to connect using a VPN, it contradicts the stated legal framework and could potentially expose you to penalties if authorities choose to enforce rules. 4. What happens in practice? Legal language and real-world enforcement can differ. Official stance: using VPN to access blocked VoIP services is against UAE regulations and could lead to fines or legal action. Practical experience: many residents and visitors report they do use VPNs to access VoIP without reported enforcement in typical personal use cases, but this is unofficial and not guaranteed safe. People online share mixed reports about how often VPNs work or are detected by local ISPs. Bottom line: just because some users do it without consequence doesn't mean the law says it's permitted. The legal risk remains. Practical advice for UAE users: use VoIP the legal way. If you need voice/video calls, use government-approved VoIP apps offered through local telecom providers, Etisalat, Du. These services are licensed and won't put you at legal risk. Use VPN for legitimate security. NordVPN can be safely used for secure business communications, protecting personal data on public Wi-Fi, encrypted banking apps, email, and social media security. Avoid using VPN for accessing blocked VoIP. While NordVPN can technically mask traffic, UAE regulations explicitly discourage using VPN to circumvent service blocks, and this falls into a legally gray or prohibited category with potential penalties. Important: this is a general information overview based on current public sources and not legal advice. If you need certainty about your specific situation, consult a UAE licensed legal professional or the TDRA directly.